everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am back with the remaining 7 polishes from my Colors by Llarowe collection. So these are polishes that I've had in my stash for quite some time and I never got around to sharing with you guys. So if you'd like to see more in regards to my opinions, my thoughts, what the colors look like and what the coverage is like, keep on watching. Alright, so as promised guys, I am back with part 2 of my Colors by Llarowe nail polishes to share with you. If you did not see part 1 of this video, I will have it linked up in the cards for you. So the first one I'll be sharing is Lion, Scarecrow, and Tinman. I'm sure you guys know which one this movie is supposed to be representing. Look at how pretty this is, guys. So this one is actually a limited edition, or was a limited edition I should say, for a group that I'm in on Facebook called Hella Handmade Creations. I think the name changed since then, I have to double check. But it is an intense magenta purple, obviously a hollow, and it does have some deep blue microflakes in it, but this is so pretty. So this is what the Lion, Scarecrow, and Tinman looks like against my skin tone. Super pretty. And as you can see, like, it's really opaque. And I only did use 2 coats along with on the tip that I used to swatch. And you can't even see the blue that's on my nail. So this next one is called On the Prowl. And this is a jelly base. And this one you would use as a topper just because it is like in a clear base. And it does have various sizes of iridescent shifting glitters and aurora pigment that shifts from green to red. So I've already gone in and painted this tip black just to show you what it looks like over a darker base. Look at how beautiful that is. Usually with toppers like this, I only go in with 1 coat. Now you could really use this color, or this topper, sorry, over any base color and you would see how much of a difference it would make. And here we have On the Prowl, which is a topper. So next I'll be sharing Pirates of Penzance, and this is a deep red and it has a holographic finish to it. Super pretty. This is such a beautiful color. So I would definitely be going in with a second coat on this one, but regardless, it is so pretty. And this is Pirates of Penzance. Such a beautiful red. I am loving this. Like, this is a perfect red for the upcoming Christmas season. So next is another topper. This is called River. So this is a sapphire tinted clear base and it has blue to green flakes in it. Excuse that, like, I don't remember what happened, but something spilled. So beautiful, guys. So this is another one that I will be showing over a black base. Look at how pretty those flakes are, guys. Like, if you wanted more of a flaky payoff, you could go in with a second coat, but like, you get such a good coverage with just 1 coat. And here we have River, which is another topper. And here you can see like the blue tinge. Still very gorgeous. So next up is Tease, and you already know I am going to love this color. So this is a stunning lilac purple. Isn't it so pretty, guys? this is Tease in one coat. I am definitely going to go in with a second coat because it does have a bit of a sheer first coat. And here is Tease, such a beautiful lilac. Again, this was 2 coats, and as you can see, very, very opaque as well. And the second last polish I will be sharing with you is called the 6. So for you that don't know, I do live in Toronto, and when Drake really blew up, like, he nicknamed Toronto the 6. So the reason that we were nicknamed the 6 is because of the 6 surrounding boroughs that make up Toronto. And this is a navy based multi-chrome, and this shifts from navy to blue to pink to green. It does have some purple shimmer in it and some hollow flakes as well. So this one is also a limited edition, so I actually did get this from this show, I guess. Would I call it a show? I don't know, but it's something that they had up here, and it was called the Indie Expo Canada, and it was basically like a lot of nail polish makers that make their own nail polishes, and you would go and you could purchase and whatever the case may be. But they haven't had one in a while, so this was like made specifically for that show the year that I went. And here it is at 1 coat. I could have done this over black, but I really want to see what it's gonna look like when I build it up. And here we have the 6. Very beautiful. I could have gone in with a 3rd coat on this one, but I decided not to. I feel like maybe with the 3rd coat it would have been a bit more opaque, but you know what? It's still not bad. And the last polish that I have to share is called Weeping Angels. So this is a multicolored flaky in a clear base, and it does have like a golden and plum shimmer running through it. So stunning. And this is going to be another one that's going to be shown over black as well. Wow, look at how pretty that is over the black. Oh my goodness. This is so stunning, guys. Like, look at how it just dances in the light. I love this. And lastly, here is Weeping Angels, the last topper and the last polish from this swatch video. Very, very pretty, even on its own. Here we have the last 7 polishes from my Colors by Llarowe collection that I have. Honestly, guys, I really do like these polishes. Like, I was very impressed with each and every one of them. As you can tell, they all had really good coverage and a really good drying time in between coats. They were fully opaque in 2 coats. Again, the toppers, you only need to have 1 coat. This one, which is the 6, it depends on how the look you're going for. I'm pretty sure you can use this as a topper as well, or you could build it up 2-3 coats to get a more in-depth color with it. But I didn't mind it at 2 coats. So let me know what you guys think about these polishes down below. As always, guys, I will try to see if I can find anywhere that might have these. I can't make any promises because these are some older polishes just because I haven't gotten around to sharing them. If you like these kind of videos, let me know, because I do have like a ridiculously big bin that I need to get through. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and sticking around with me. Please do like and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will be notified when I post more content. Until next time, stay glamorous.